Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this new Silk coconut unsweetened. Take a look at the ingredients. There we go. If you guys want to read the nutrient panel, there it is. So they say it's new, so there's no sugar added, and I think they changed the taste a bit. So as you can, it's less than 1 gram of sugar. Let's try it out. So, as you can see, that is the coconut cream that they use to sweeten it. There we go. Or give it the aroma. There we go. Yeah, it tastes good. It tastes like coconut. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, and subscribe to the channel. It's pretty, I guess, more watery, or you might want to shake it up a bit more, but like I said, that's coconut cream. So if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.